Welcome to Brush and Roll. We're back this morning and we're getting ready to show you how to finish off the room. So I want to teach you guys today how we're going to sand the patchwork. All right, so when you're sanding drywall or drywall patches, there's a couple different tools that you're going to need. One is a sander. It might be a pole sander or hand sander that has a hard surface on it, so that you're not getting a contour to that patchwork when you're sanding it. These sponges are flexible, so if you were to take one of these to a larger area, when you paint it and prime it, you might have kind of a contoured hump in the wall. This right here protects you from that. This is more of a tool that you have to get the feel for. You can easily burn through your patchwork if you go too aggressively, but you can almost close your eyes when you're using this or a pole sander, and as you're sanding with a pole sander, you can feel when that hump becomes level. Then you're going to go in with a tool like this sanding sponge. This one has an angled edge, which is nice to get in the corners here without rubbing the other wall next to it. But this sponge right here is good for feathering things in. It'll take out any hard lines that this leaves behind and just kind of feather things into the wall, especially maybe around the edge of your patchwork. So this kind of levels it out. This kind of blends everything and kind of contours and smooths it all out and blends it in with your wall. Typically before you do a room, you're going to use a pole sander on the entire ceiling and the entire walls, even if there's zero patchwork.